What's up? It's your girl Ty, and I'm back with another video. So, first off, I want to say good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good whatever it is you, Grand Rising, to whoever's watching right now, in whatever part of the world you are in. It is morning time here where I'm at, here in beautiful Florida. But anyway, let me get to my point. So first of all, I have this cap on my head because I went to a pool party yesterday. Had the time of my life, but my hair is looking like bad hair day today due to the pool party. But I had a ball, so I ain't worried. And as y'all know, I come in here sometimes looking a mess. Sometimes I come in here looking my best. Honestly, how I look isn't important. What's important is the message. So I was just sitting here, y'all. I wasn't even planning on coming on here at all. Hopefully I have enough storage on my phone to get this whole video out, so I'm gonna try to make it fast. I'm planning on it to be short, and usually when I say that, it don't be short, but I honestly think that this one's going to be short because the message is kind of quick and to the point, and that's how it came to me. So as I stated before in my previous videos, I make videos basically to share my experience, to help other people grow. I believe that knowledge is power. I believe that conscious is something that we all share collectively. And when we share our conscious thoughts, you know, we project that out to the universe, and sometimes it helps others connect the dots. Like, you know what I mean? But anyway, so lately, I've been very intrigued, and I noticed not only have I been intrigued with the word, but it's just been coming to me a lot about being humble. But the way that it's been coming to me is not like, oh, humble yourself, child, humble yourself. It's been more like spirit been saying, you're being too humble. So that is what I want to talk about right now. I want to talk about the importance of understanding balance, because I believe that every single thing in this world, good or bad, it has some sort of balance in it. So what I mean by that is anything that's good, too much of it can be bad. Anything that's, well, I can't really say that, but y'all get what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to say is it's important to have balance in everything. So, which brought me to the word humble again. And I was thinking to myself, yes, it's good to be humble, but to a certain extent. And what spirit revealed to me, because I've been hearing spirit tell me, stop being so humble. And I always thought, from what I was taught, you know, programmed to think, that you should be humble. As in, you should never have that much, I wouldn't say that much. I guess you shouldn't come off as an arrogant person, should I say. And I thought that, you know, that arrogancy, like, it was pretty much bad. I don't even know if I said that word right, arrogancy. I don't know. But anyway, like, I looked at it like it was something bad. But then I realized that, what if it's not being arrogant? What if it's somebody being confident? And I noticed that my whole life, like, I kind of suppress my confidence about myself because I always allow other people to project how they feel about themselves onto me, or I let people basically tell me who I was. Like, I wasn't writing my own story in my past. I was letting people write my story for me. So instead of me kind of going off my first instance, what I feel, what I know in my, you know, within my soul, I kind of, like, you know, sat back, observed, watched, and kind of went with the flow instead of me speaking out, or just, you know, I was always been a very quiet and observant person, and I'm still am to this day. I observe every fucking thing. But the thing about me observing, a lot of times in my past, people didn't understand. People didn't know me, put it like that. They knew me, but they really didn't know me. I don't think people understand how much I was observing. And the reason why people didn't really understand and see that is because I never showed it. I never said anything. I just seen things, but I never spoke on it. So a lot of things I peep, even in my relationships, like when a man would, like, try to be sneaky and try to do something behind my back, it's things that I seen in relationships that I never spoke on. I always wait for the right time to speak on something. And sometimes the timing never comes. And what I mean by that is I learned how to move with grace and with God. And when you learn how to move with grace and with God, some things is not even meant to confront. Because you know who you are, whose you are, God's. And when you reach a certain like level of wisdom and confidence and self-love and all that, good stuff, it's like, I hope y'all hear my stomach growling, but it's like all of the little small shit, it don't really matter. You know how they say small things to a giant? It's like something within my soul turned up to like big time. It's like, like for a perfect example, for some reason I just thought about Lotto. Now, before Lotto blew up, everybody knew who Lotto was. She already had a name. She already had a buzz. She was always beautiful. She always was talented. Ever since she was a child, we seen that. But it was something about when she got that deal. It's like it took her to another level. It showed. You know what I'm saying? People start to see, oh, she getting my money now. You can tell how it's obvious. It's like you can't hide success when people see you. You know what I mean? When people look at you, rather it's seeing you in person, rather than seeing you through social media, through a picture, word of mouth. What you do will always get back to the people who is pressed by you and your energy. And those people can mistake that sometimes from, oh, she thinks she arrogant now, she this and she that, she changed, or he, for all of my fellas out there. Understand that people will make it seem like you are an arrogant person when you start to gain a level of confidence about yourself that they just don't understand. Because like I said, going back to Lotto, is like I remember when she talked about how she like had people coming out of the woodworks in her family saying, oh, that's my cousin. She was like, I never even, you know what I'm saying? Some people, I knew you was my cousin, but I didn't even fucking vibe with you. You know what I'm saying? Some people always knew you, always knew of you, but the minute you reach your dreams and your goals and you getting everything that you put in to receive, motherfucker got something to say. You know what I'm saying? Now they got so much to say about judging you, but before they ain't had nothing to say at all. You was just Lotto. See what I'm saying? And when bitches gotta eat their words, they will use their words, twist them bitches up, and now you're this arrogant person. You see what I'm saying? They will clock you into something that you're not. So for when you reach a place of true happiness, you know what I'm saying, and true abundance in your life, in every area in your life, and I'm not just talking about money, I'm talking about the abundance that money can't buy. Happiness, true happiness, and true fucking peace. When you are a true, genuine person, and no one can take that from you. That's the difference. No one can take that from you. And I literally made a post too a couple months ago, and I said the difference between a bad bitch and a spiritual baddie is that you look good inside and out. You see a lot of people walking around here and they present themselves to be, a certain kind of way, but really they're miserable as fuck. You understand what I'm saying? You understand what I'm saying? So you got to understand that it's a fine line between being humble and being confident. And when you reach a place, like I said, a certain level, you got to be able to understand that you have already been humble your whole life. Don't humble yourself to the point where you got to... Don't humble yourself to the point where you got to feel like you got to humble yourself to make somebody else feel like to feel okay. Be unapologetic about your confidence at all times. You deserve to be confident. You should be confident, and understand that anything that you do, you should have confidence in it. Because if you don't, if you ain't got confidence in yourself, then who the fuck is gonna have confidence in you? If I'm looking for a certain person to fill a position, I'm looking for a person with confidence in themselves. Understand that. Don't come in here with that humble shit. You see what I'm saying? To be less than. That's not what God wants us to do. God wants us to have confidence, not to be extremely humble because someone else think that you're being arrogant. That's their fucking problem. That's their fucking opinion. Life goes on. But yeah, I just wanted to touch bases on that because I just been thinking to myself like, God, you keep telling me to stop being humble, but but Spirit like, well, because we not in that season no more. You always been humble. You're a genuine person. You operate out of from the heart with everything that you do and everybody that you connect with, even your enemies, or should I say my frenemies. You still send them love and light. And if that ain't humble enough, baby, you get what I'm saying? Y'all catch my drift? So that's all I really had to say. I just want to touch base on that because I feel like a lot of us, good-hearted people and genuine people, we a lot of times try to, give people their flowers, even the ones that we know is not, don't genuinely fuck with us or vibe with us, but they still, try to keep that door open for some reason. They don't want to shut it completely because they know what kind of person you are. And they don't want to miss that train ride because they see like this motherfucker gonna catch a flight, catch a plane, catch a somewhere. She going up in life, and when she get there, I don't want to be one of those people who, you know what I'm saying, on the other side. So sometimes people will play. How can I say this? Sometimes people would ride the fence with you, put it like that, because they don't know if it's like they don't know if they want to fuck with you or not, because the confidence that you like exude off your aura is so like magnetic and amazing and so full of love and prosperity that it makes other people feel intimidated. So instead of them, you know what I'm saying, like giving you your flowers, they want to kind of like, be in the background with the side eye and look and, talk behind your back on the phone, you know what I'm saying, through the messages and shit, because they can never say it to your face because they pussy. They cowards, and that's what pussies and cowards do. However, that's why I said, once again, I'm making this video, don't you ever let a pussy or a coward make you feel like you gotta humble yourself, because that's what they want you to do so they can feel okay with who they are. That ain't got nothing to do with you. The choices that people make in their life is their own choices. The choices that you make in your life is your own choices. When you was down and out and you was crying and you was on your knees praying and you was all that shit, they didn't see that. They only see the good. That's okay. Spirit said they wasn't going to see that anyway. I wasn't going to let them see you sweat. I was only going to let them see you win. The same way you sat back and seen them win and you was humbled and you waited for your season, they're going to sit their ass down and watch you. Tell them to be humble. Don't humble yourself. You are humble enough. Your heart is pure. And Spirit said, if you got a pure heart, stop being humble for these bitches. Because that's what they want you to do. Keep operating out of love and light with everything that you do. Everything that you do. Pray for the world. Pray for the vibration of the world. Pray for those who pray to tear you down. And give love and thanks. And pray for those who pray for you in a positive way. For those of you who support my channel, who watch my channel, who fuck with me, who vibe with me, who been vibing me from day one. Even if you're not a day one, I don't give a fuck if you just fucking subscribe right now as I'm talking. I don't give a damn if you ain't even subscribed. You just fuck with me, you vibe with me, you watch my video. I fuck with you. I send love and peace to everybody in the world. Like I said, I love everybody. Remember to always spread love and light. Don't never let a motherfucker make you feel like you gotta act like them. Remember that. Just because somebody else is in a fucked up, you know what I'm saying, space in their life, in their head, in their mental, in their aura, doesn't mean they gotta put that energy on you. Pray for those who wish the worst for you. Pray for those who wish the best for you. And keep it pushing. And most importantly, pray for your motherfucking self. Have confidence in everything that you do. everything that you do. Okay? Because we came from a source that is more powerful than anything in this room. Anything. So remember to always fix your crown. Sometimes it may, move to the side a little bit. Hell, some days it may fall the fuck off. But it's okay. Pick it up, dust it off, keep it pushing. I love y'all so very much. For those of you who have been leaving me comments, and I just want to say thank you. I believe your name was Matthew. Matthew, I want to give a special shout out to you. When you left me that comment the other day, you kind of motivated me to kind of want to come on and keep showing up and keep showing up and keep showing up, because some days I do kind of get lazy. I'm trying to get better with showing up as a content creator, but I got so many hats that I wear that sometimes I just kind of like go with the flow. But I love y'all so much. I appreciate every single one of y'all from the bottom of my heart. And until next time. Oh yeah, excuse my nails, y'all. I went to the nail shop on Mother's Day, or the day before Mother's Day. Man, that bitch was so packed, and I just haven't had a chance to go yet. But my nails will be done soon, so I know y'all probably looking at my nails like, whoo, when's she gonna get a fill in? It's coming soon. But all right, y'all, until next time, and I love y'all so very much, and so do Spirit.